Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm beginning my eye look today using the Plouise base, and just during the eyeshadow portion of this video I will be doing a voiceover, and the rest I will be doing a talk through. So I'm just going in with the Crayon Case Matte Book eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using this light purple shade and just adding that in the transition area. And this is the first shade that I use, and now I'm going in with this deeper purple shade. And by the way, I am also using a Crayon Case brush as well, the yellow one. So now that we have this shadow nicely blended, I'm going to cut my crease with that same Plouise base. And now that the eyelid is cut, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lid shade. So I'm going in with this first shade, this white shade. They don't have names, so I'll just, tell you the color. And next I'll be going in with this dark pink shade right next to the white, and I do go back and forth quite a bit just to make sure that the two shades are nicely and evenly blended. So here I'm going back in with the white, and then now back in with the pink. And next I'll be going in with this other purple shade, and I'm just going to add that to the outer portion of my lid and also blend that in with the pink. I'm using my Fenty flyliner to begin, but I do switch up my eyeliner in a moment. It kind of seemed like the Fenty liner was drying up on me, so I tried to finish this wing liner. So I haven't done a talk through video in a little while, so I'm just gonna do a talk through while I finish up the rest of my look. And I did the voiceover in the eye look part, but for this part, the face application, I'm just gonna do a talk through. So this is my first time back on camera since the Juvias Place debacle that occurred. So my Juvias Place foundation review is one of the highest viewed videos on my channel, and I was thinking of maybe taking down that video because of what's going on with Juvias Place, but I decided against that. So I'm gonna leave that video up, and I was thinking about the products that I have purchased. I have pretty much every single palette from Juvias Place. I have their foundation, concealers, setting powders, lipsticks, lip glosses, brushes, pretty much everything from the brand. And I spend my hard-earned money for those products, and I will continue to use them. However, in my videos, if you see me using a product and I don't mention the name of the product, and if I don't enter it down in the description box, it is because it is more than likely a Juvias Place product. I personally, on my channel, I'm not going to jump on a bandwagon and cancel the brand. However, I just won't be featuring them on my channel. So I'm going in with the Loreal Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade Hazelnut. Did I even prime my face? I think I did. because they are a black-owned brand. I want to give them a chance to redeem themselves. Not to say that that would be the reason for me to go back and start reviewing their products and featuring them again. And I'm not going to say that I'm going to be purchasing from them again, but it would add some closure for myself and some other people, because you know, most of us are very disappointed in Juvias Place, and not just for putting that particular person on their social media and pretty much praising him, but at how they are handling the situation, how they speak to their customers. I am one of their customers, and I would hate for them to have to speak to me like that. So, and just the way that they're handling everything, they put out an apology for Jackie and Alyssa, but then they took it back. So like, how can you give someone an apology and then take it back? But that is just, you know, my 2 cents on the whole issue. I know I don't have a huge platform here, but for my subscribers that I do have, most of you are very loyal and you do come back to my videos. And if you are watching this, and again, if you see me use a product and I don't mention it, it is more than likely Juvias Place. I am going to use up everything that I purchased from them, and I just won't repurchase. Because I don't have money to waste to buy, you know, products and just throw away. I know that some people were doing videos destroying their products. I can't afford to do that, so I just decided to just not feature them on my channel. Hopefully that would change. I do know there was one YouTuber by the name of Tiffany who did a video of why I'm not purchasing from Juvias Place ever again about 2 years ago. And she gave them a second chance a few months back, and now she's back to not supporting them again as well. So, I mean, everybody is liable to make a mistake, and I do believe that they have made a mistake and they have allowed their fame and a dollar to get in the way of just their morals and ethics. So I am not going to, you know, feed into the drama, because I like to be positive on my channel. So I just going to pretty much leave the issue alone and just, you know, use what I have of theirs and just continue on, and hopefully, you know, tensions would die down and they will improve with how they deal with the public and their customers, because some of those responses that they were giving customers was absolutely disgusting. I could not believe that a brand would talk to people that are spending their hard-earned money, people that actually saved up to purchase their palettes. I mean, even though their palettes are not expensive, but most of us purchase 2 and 3 palettes at a time, and you know, have been with the brand for a while, so some of our palettes have hit pan, so you want to repurchase. And then when you're purchasing foundation, you want to order 2 and 3 of them, and maybe 2 or 3 of concealer shades. So people do spend quite a bit of money on Juvias Place products. I know I do, but I just can't anymore. And I've been following Jackie and Alyssa for many years, and I just cannot believe how she treated them think the last time I checked, Juvias Place owner, I think her name is Chi, was actually taking legal action against Jackie and Alyssa, which is absolutely crazy. So yeah, I can't stand behind that brand. I'm just going to stick with the black-owned businesses that I have been supporting: Beauty Bakery, Colored Rain, Crayon Case, and any new ones that I find, because this mess is ridiculous. And I'm very new to this YouTube stuff, but I'm not new to the beauty industry, and I have been around for a lot of the drama and the controversy. But this just is on a whole new level. So I just wanted to come on camera and just, you know, make that known. And I guess I should be telling you what I am using. So this sponge is a Crayon Case beauty blender, and I did mention my foundation, the Loreal Fresh Wear, and the concealer that I'm using is Milani Concealing Perfect in the shade Natural Sand. So the next product that I'm going to use, I'm actually just want to test it out for my own personal reference. I'm not going to say the brand, so you can pretty much assume the brand that I'm speaking of. And I just want to see how the setting powder works. I should have maybe used that concealer also, but I just did not want to give them too much clout on my channel. I just wanted to, I received this product yesterday after waiting about 12 days to receive it. So I just wanted to try it out and see how it sets. And that's sad because it kind of seems like it's a nice product, but I'm not gonna feature it. You have a good product, but yet you want to have your foot up your behind and just pretty much ruin your whole brand. So I'm just gonna go in with my Prime Beauty bronzer and just add some color and some dimension back into my skin. And this is very pigmented, so I have to go really, really light and build up. And I'm just going to contour my nose very, very lightly. I'm going to set my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm going to add the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. I'm going to go back into the matte book and let's see. I'm going to use this purple here, and then I'll go in with this pink up here to blend it out. I'm gonna wipe my brush off. I have a little towel down here. I'm just going to wipe it off on the towel, and I'm just gonna go in with the pink, tap off the excess. Gonna untie my hair, pop on some earrings, and I will be back. Okay, so I let down my hair and popped on some earrings. So So I'm just gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye using my Crayon K's contour notebook, and I'm going to use this shade here called Trophy. I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip, and it is in the shade Violet. That is it. That is the final look. I hope that you have enjoyed, and I do see all of my new subscribers coming in. Thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button, and also be sure to share me with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy my content. And also comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback on my looks, and I will see you in the next video.